Good morning mga kakusina! Earlier, I went to the market at nakita ko yung mga dried fish. This kind of dish is very easy to do and very Asian. So we'll go down to our ingredients. We will need roasted anchovies, shrimp paste, coconut cream, bird's eye chilies, green chilies, onion, garlic, and ginger. Let's start. Let's saute garlic, onion, ginger, green chilies, and red chilies. I just waited na mag-translucent ang ating mga spices. I add in 2 tablespoons of shrimp paste. I have 1 cup of coconut cream, but I will only add in half of it. I set aside the other half because we'll be needing it later. Add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. This is ready to add in our roasted anchovies. Earlier, ginawa ko din yung pag-roast sa anchovies para pag nag-start na ako magluto, dire-diretso na. Mix well. If you have noticed, halos naubos yung sauce nung nilagay ko ang anchovies. Now it's time to add in the other half of our coconut cream. By the way mga kakusina, low fire lang po tayo para hindi masunog ang ating dish. Mga kakusina, kapag nilagay natin ang ating second half of coconut, wag natin siyang hahaluin. Just cover it with a lid. In a few minutes, ganito ang magiging itsura niya. You will know that our dish is ready when you see the coconut oil is already out. There you have it mga kakusina, our spicy dried anchovies and coconut cream.